So if you haven't heard the news, we just got one of the most exciting integrations inside of Honeybook, and that's an integration between Honeybook and PicTime. Now, if you've been following the channel at all, you know I both use Honeybook and PicTime in my business. Honeybook for the CRM, dealing with my clients, and PicTime for actually uploading my photos and sending them to my clients. And now this integration opens up a whole bunch of possibilities between the two to really make my workflow so much easier than it already is. Keep in mind, this integration is very bare bones at the moment. However, who knows what the future holds? The fact that they're even integrating with each other is a huge deal. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at what you can do with this integration currently. To start off, you'll have to make sure you actually activate the integration. Go up to your settings and then integrations. And from there, you'll see the PicTime option. And go ahead and connect your PicTime account. Now, after doing this, you'll see that you have a new option to create new galleries every time someone books with you. So if you send them a proposal, they sign it and put in their payment, there will automatically be a PicTime gallery associated with that workspace. In the future, this is going to be awesome as well, because once you start using the automated marketing inside of PicTime and having the gallery there already, it's going to make it so much easier to upload previews and start your marketing that way, rather than having to make the gallery every time aside from your actual workspace. You can see here I recently got booked for a small session and I already have a gallery created inside of PicTime. You can see it right here in the Honeybook workspace. You can also see it here on the back end of PicTime. Now, what if you already have a workspace started but you want to connect an existing gallery to it? You can do that as well. Inside of your workspace on the right side, scroll down until you see the PicTime gallery, then choose Add Gallery. From here, you'll be able to choose existing galleries. After you chose your gallery, you'll see it on the right side, how many photos are in it, and you have a couple of other options. You can view the gallery inside of PicTime, edit the gallery, sync the gallery, or unlink the gallery. Now, one thing I like is that generally I'll have my engagement session and my wedding in two separate galleries. But because of this integration now, I can both add them into the workspace and have both my engagement session and wedding gallery right there inside of Honeybook. This will make it easy for me to deal with everything with my couple in one space. I have my workspace, I have my second photographer in additional workspaces, I have all my files, and I can go ahead and get to my galleries. Now, at the moment, this is as far as the integration actually goes. However, remind you, this is just them starting. There are so many possibilities here. Actually, some of the things I would love to see is, you know how in PicTime you get a link for your couples to actually go to the gallery? I would love to be able to pull that immediately into Honeybook. So I could just make an email right inside of Honeybook, and rather than having to go to PicTime and copy the link, I could just do it there. Or even better, imagine if you could automate that and Honeybook would automatically pull in the gallery because it's already linked anyway, and then just have the link. Oh, so good. Your automations will be able to go so far. And then if all the emails that are being sent out from PicTime for the automated marketing can be shown inside of Honeybook, there's so many options and the sky's the limit. Make sure to contact Honeybook and let them know the kind of things that you want to see. I'll be doing that as well because I think this is going to be huge going forward. Now remember, if you're using Honeybook or PicTime or you're neither using both, I have links in the description below where you can sign up with a discount. If you're using Honeybook now, you're also going to get PicTime at a discount, but I highly recommend checking out both of these platforms. I personally have used them since I started my business, and it has made a huge, huge change. If you want to learn more about Honeybook or PicTime, I have some links in the description and also some videos here that you can check out to learn more about Honeybook and see if it's something that will work for your business.